Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. One of the lesser known challenges of going through a separation or divorce is determining who will get to keep the family pet. Family law legislation offers little guidance when it comes to pets, and case law has established that pets should be treated as property and fairly distributed between the parties. Understandably, some people disagree with the idea that pets are property, and there are moves afoot to challenge that opinion. See our article, Forever Friends, Who Gets Custody of the Family Pet in a Divorce or Separation? There are links to that in the information below. So how do you make the best decision for you, your family, and your pet? Being able to make amicable arrangements about the care of a shared pet results in a win-win situation for all involved. Neither party has to lose their connection to a beloved pet, and shared care can make daily life simpler. That's where a written document comes to the fore. By sitting down with your ex and nutting out the details, you both have a plan that is reliable and easily understood. The beauty of a written plan is that it also saves many arguments and misunderstandings down the track. Our shared pet care agreement covers all of the pet care areas that you need to consider, and you can easily edit the document to suit your family's individual needs. It includes the following provisions: care and visitation, unusual schedule, proper care of the pet, expenses, insurance, pet identification and registration, end-of-life decisions, and abandonment or relinquishment. If you would like more information on our shared pet care agreement, visit financialagreements.com.au by clicking on the links below.